everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sushmita. Today I'm going to show you my favorite and my secret moisturizing technique. Let's not waste our time and let's get into the video. For this technique you want only two ingredients. First one curd, second one is turmeric powder. Let's start with. Take a bowl and first add 2 spoons of curd. 2 spoons of curd. Then turmeric powder. Let's take tablespoon of turmeric powder. Tablespoon of turmeric powder and add it. Mix it well. So our paste is ready. So let's not apply this in brush and let's apply this in hand. Use your hand. Take this cream like this and apply on your skin. Use two hands also, you will be comfortable. Apply it all over your face and just massage it for 1 minute. And leave it for 2 minutes and then wash your face. I wash my face and don't rub your skin, just tap it. You can see the difference. Curd helps you to moisturize your skin and turmeric powder helps you to give booster and glowing to the skin. So I have used these two ingredients. I hope you all like my video, and this is my healthy skincare techniques and I never use anything chemically. Whatever you use for your skin, just see and use. Don't use more chemicals to your face. This is my secret and my favorite skincare, and I have more videos to update. So I will come back in next week. So till then, keep following, keep watching my old videos, and if you like my channel, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.